We have just checked into our room here at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. We are on the 12th floor. It's called the Flamingo Room. It is room, let's see, what is it? Oh, room 12106 on the 12th floor. So let's go check it out. Housekeeping, let me in. So here's our room right there.
Oh my
Hello,
God.
you're here too?
Yes. I'm here. Wow. Come
What?
on in.
It's a quinky dink.
Check out my room.
I'm gonna check out the
It's
room.
so spacious.
It is. Okay, so as we walk in, we have the bathroom to the left. And the first thing, of course, and I already knew this because I actually looked it up online, but I knew that we're not gonna have a handheld, so they don't have a handheld. I don't know what the pressure is since we just checked in, so I will let you guys know. And it's kind of weird. They're supposed to have like a shampoo, soap, and conditioner, but it looks like someone like stole two. Not that we use it, but that's just kind of funny. But they do have a hair dryer for everybody, so you don't have to pack yours. And thankfully, I didn't pack mine, and I'll need it, so I'm glad. I just assumed that they do. And over here, you get like Jose Iber, shower gel, shampoo, and soap. And there is a magnifying mirror for makeup and stuff. We have a closet here with an iron. There's the ironing board and iron. Oh, it actually lights up. It's motion detected here. Motion detected. And then there's some storage right there. And you can like put your suitcases on the side there like we did. There's quite a lot of room. So our room, we got a, what do you, Cleopatra? Is it that kind of, it's kind of one of those Cleopatra like couches?
Oh, I'm feeling just so
You know,
frisky in Vegas.
all you need, wait, stay there. I just need to fan you and then feed you grapes.
That would be totally
And you know what?
awesome.
Funny that I said that because right behind him is Caesar's Palace where they used to, you know, the Romans fanning and grapes and all. Anywho, okay, so we got a, is it a king or a queen? No, it's a king. So we got a king bed. And it's a lot of room here on both sides, so that's kind of nice. Some of the hotels you check into and you have to like walk sideways, but there's quite a lot of room. You have a full-length mirror to get ready, and there is Scott. Oh, let's check this out. Let's see what you got there.
Holding the flamingos?
You
I don't
are.
know.
Yeah, no, you're not. You gotta put your hands high. You're holding their butt. Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're holding their butt. So on both sides, not only do you have drawers to put your stuff in, and a big one right there, but the cool thing is, which is very convenient, you have some plugs, USB and electrical plugs to put all your stuff in. What?
Put your weed in, man.
Oh, for crying out loud. That's an old joke and no one's gonna get it except us. On this side, not only do you have this very cute flamingo lamp, which, there we go. Oh, that's even cuter when it's lit up. But the cool thing is here they do have a charger for your phone in addition to all of the different outlets and USB ports, and same thing on this side. So that's nice. You have a little cocktail looking table here, a little like side table. Put your little cocktail on, sit there on the Cleopatra chair, and look at the beautiful strip view, which is going to be very pretty tonight when the lights all come on. And let me show you our view here. So, Vegas during the day is kind of ugly. It's just a bunch of buildings in the desert. But at night, this is going to be gorgeous. See there on the left-hand side, you will see that's the Bellagio with the fountain. So that way we'll be able to watch part of the show here. A little side view. And there's a Bellagio, of course, right there in front of us. And straight in front of us is the beautiful Caesar's Palace, which we have to stay at sometime in one of our future trips. And over here there's Hell's Kitchen, the famous Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay. And to the right hand side, I'm actually very sad because we used to stay at the Mirage a lot, and it was one of our favorites, and it is now closed. As you can see, even the sign above it right there, they took it off. You could just see like the remnants of it, and they are building a Hard Rock. So that's actually a very historic Mirage. If you guys ever watch Vegas Vacation, that's where Chevy Chase and his family stays. And it's actually filmed right there. So there it is. That's that. On this side here, let me just show you. You have like a little table and a chair. Here you have a fridge and a safe and a nice big screen TV and some more plugs right there. And that's it. That is the room. That is a tour of our room, and as we stay here, we're staying here the whole week, so we will let you know, if the beds are comfy or not, and what the shower pressure is like, and all that kind of stuff. With the boys, we got them their own room, and they have the two, I think it's 2 queen beds. We'll check that out as well. They're right down the hall from us. So thanks for watching Penny's Travel Adventures, and we're in Vegas, baby.